Howdy, my name is Derek Henry, and if you are frustrated by all the insert commands spread all over Excel, you want to make it much easier to perform those, then I've got a tool that I think you're going to love. This is called the Insert Picker. So let's dive in and take a look. What this is going to do is give you several different insert related actions that you can apply just with keyboard shortcuts and commands with text or string. So when let's say we want to insert a row, okay? Now there are shortcuts for that, but this brings you so many things in one place, I think you'll find it a little bit better. I have option E as my default because check out what this does. Okay, it's context based. If you have a row selected, it'll insert a row. If you have a column selected, it'll insert a column. Now you can also leverage the, notice you can add an R to make it shift right instead of down automatically. Now there's several other things that we can do with this. We can insert a checkbox or a picture or a sparkline, or maybe you have this entire table selected. You want to insert a pivot table quickly. You want to insert a new sheet or even a completely new file. These are all things you can do just by entering one letter and then the enter key, and it'll do it for you, just like you saw with inserting the row and the column there. And that's it. It's that easy to do, save a lot of time, make insert actions quite a bit easier. Now, if you like that, check it out for yourself. Use the QR code at the bottom to try that out for 30 days for free, along with hundreds of other tools that I use to save a couple hundred hours a year or more in Excel. So if you like this, please do that. Give it a like, share with your friends, add a comment, reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have an excellent rest of your day.